Type 2 diabetes symptoms. Sometimes it is difficult to recognize type 2 diabetes symptoms, since they vary from person to person. But, ignoring diabetes symptoms can lead to serious damage to the organs caused by unchecked blood glucose levels. Here we look at the most common type 2 diabetes symptoms, but keep in mind that regular checkups are always important, even if you do not notice the symptoms, particularly if you have a family history of the condition. Symptoms 1. More frequent urination. In an effort to remove the excess glucose from the bloodstream, the kidneys work harder, leading to more frequent urination. This also removes other necessary fluids from the body and can lead to dehydration. Increased thirst and/or dry mouth are usually noticed. Possible kidney damage is one reason that ignoring diabetes symptoms is not safe. In addition, severe dehydration accompanied by very high blood sugar levels can lead to hyperglycemic hypersmilurnonctotic syndrome, which is life-threatening. Symptoms 2. Family history. In rare cases, people who have not previously noticed type 2 diabetes symptoms have ended up in the emergency room in a coma. Scientists believe that they have identified genes that are responsible for the development of the condition, confirming the long-held belief that it does run in the family. This information also confirms the long-held suggestion that persons with a family history of type 2 diabetes should advise their doctor and have regular physicals, including a fasting or casual plasma glucose test. This test measures the level of glucose in the bloodstream. Symptoms 3. Easily fatigue. If you have high blood glucose levels, you may feel tired, weak or easily fatigued. The cells of the body convert glucose into energy. Insulin, secreted by the pancreas after a meal, signals the cells that glucose is available. The cells open their doors, so to speak, and allow the glucose to enter. If insulin production is insufficient or if the cells do not recognize the signal, glucose builds up in the bloodstream. It needs to be mentioned that a certain amount of glucose in the bloodstream is normal and necessary to fuel the brain. If blood glucose levels fall too low, a condition called hypoglycemia can occur. Some of the symptoms of hypoglycemia are similar to type 2 diabetes symptoms, including fatigue. If untreated, hypoglycemia can lead to coma, brain damage or death. These are more reasons why ignoring diabetes symptoms can be dangerous. Type 2 diabetes symptoms are not specific to the condition and can be symptoms of other health problems. If blood sugar levels are too high, fatigue is caused by lack of glucose or energy in the cells. If blood sugar levels are too low, fatigue or sleepiness is a result of lack of fuel to the brain. Symptoms 4. Increased hunger. Other symptoms can range from increased hunger, even after eating a meal, to nausea or vomiting. Symptoms 5. Blurred vision. Blurred vision is sometimes noted, and if left unchecked the condition can cause permanent damage to the eyes. Symptoms 6. Tingling in the hands or feet. Tingling in the hands or feet may be noticed early on in the condition. If left untreated, the small blood vessels that supply the nerves of the hands and feet can become damaged, leading to pain and other more serious complications. Symptoms 7. Frequent urinary tract infections. Frequent urinary tract infections, skin infections or other infections are sometimes type 2 diabetes symptoms. Not everyone with the condition experiences all of the symptoms mentioned here, But ignoring diabetes symptoms may mean that treatment does not begin early enough to prevent permanent damage to the organs, nerves and blood vessels in the body. So, do you think this video is useful? Please share this video with your friends. Do you really want to learn the proven method on how to prevent your diabetes with step-by-step guide? Click the link in description below to learn the proven method on how to prevent your diabetes. Click the link now.